Hey, where'd you find that thing? And why'd you bring it here? We've been over this already. You can't keep bringing home stray animals. You're clearly not ready for the responsibility of...
Huh?
Yeah, I got news for you, buddy. Stocking up on pet food is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole lot more to having the pet than just feeding it. You have to bathe it, clean up after it, keep an eye on its health. This thing is going back where it came from. That's enough of that. Just tell me where to drop it off, okay?
Couch crasher.
What's that shut-in?